Hi, my name is Sal Ferlise, and I am the founder and CEO of Dot Drives, your donation to celebration CRM solution for nonprofits. We founded Dot Drives 3 years ago with a goal of allowing nonprofits to be more efficient and more effective, and to build healthy donor relationships that provide sustainable income for that organization. Many nonprofits need a bicycle, but were really sold a Cadillac. So we recognize this, that nonprofits needed a simple solution in order to be effective, and so that they could also do what they were called to do, which is provide services and create greater good within their communities. And they don't want to be stuck behind a software or behind a computer all day. So we really had that in mind when we were developing this tool. We wanted it to be simple, we wanted it to be collaborative, we wanted it to be affordable, and we wanted it to be effective. So we were really fortunate to be selected and participate in the RAMP 2022 fall session. And I have to say, from the very beginning, from when the executive director reached out to us, throughout the entire process, the team was tremendously supportive. In addition, we were assigned a mentor that really helped ask probing questions and give great guidance and counsel. And then, of course, the discovery process, which I would say is the jewel of what we experienced during our session there, which really helped us better understand the market so that we can pivot, respond, or affirm what we were doing. So all in all, it was a tremendous experience, and we're very thankful for the RAMP allowing us to take part.